Hey guys, I'm Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back with the 2-minute drill, here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. And a wild week of trading it was, a wild week in general, but all good things unfortunately have to come to an end, as our 41 straight green streak has finally ended here to end September trading. After going 41 straight green weeks, dating all the way back to December 9th of 2019, so all of green through 2020, we have finally reached our first red week from Monday to Friday. And that came this week as we went 1 for 4, only winning one of our trades and losing a total of $529 on the week. But that's okay, because this is going to be the most educational video since I started these week reviews, because it's all about learning from your losses in this game. If you're at the beginning of your trading journey, you have to realize that losses are just part of this game, and we did not get here by winning every single week. So don't get down on yourself when these weeks happen, and make sure to always learn from them so you can be better in the next situation and the next trade coming up. So let's dive in. The overall market had a very topsy-turvy week, ended up gapping up to start the week, as the Dow ended up gapping up this week, getting back above 27,500 and opening at 27,514 and showing some promise as it got above 28,000 in the next 2 days. But unfortunately, our president caught that ugly disease that's going around, coronavirus, and the Dow reacted to it, coming all the way back down and pretty much closing Friday even. Well, up, but only about 160 points, closing at 27,680, but still above that 27,500 point. And in Sniperville, the bag started early. We start off exactly where we started off last week, with an OTC penny stock, MMEDF. This is a psychedelic sector that is fairly new in the industry and could possibly heat up with a couple states legalizing mushrooms. We decided to buy this stock not because we like mushrooms, because we like the way it broke 3-month high on Friday, so we decided to take it overnight going into Monday, thinking it would continue. And that's what happened. We got a continuation on Monday morning and a nice gap and push. We bought the stock at 68 on Friday, and we were able to sell half of it on the morning push at 81 for a nice 15%. We wanted to give it time, showing that $1 is the 1-year high and it's still in range. But unfortunately, the midday games did not work out, and it came all the way back down on us, where we had to sell the other half at the 65 area, making only 5% and $275 on the trade, where we averaged out at 71 cents, giving it a little bit of time. The next play came on Tag a Bag Tuesday, and this is a different pattern from the one we just went over. This is an OTC penny stock dip buy that happened on Tuesday after the stock skyrocketed Friday and came down on Monday and Tuesday morning. The stock came all the way from 21.4 back down to the 15-cent area on Tuesday, where we decided to scoop up some shares at 14.69, looking for a bounce back above 15. And it gave us a little bounce, but the bounce did not last long, and it came right back down to that 14.6 area, where we decided to abort mission and not hold on to these dip buys any longer, because they're one of the riskier plays. We got out at 1463, only losing $25, pretty much cutting even there. And on to the next one, where we found Tuesday night. This is OTC penny stock, PASO, as it was creating a nice green day after having 11 straight red days. We liked the fact that it was coming back above 2.4, so we bought it at 2.42 area, looking for the overnight gap up or push. But the thing about PASO is we've tried this 2 times before and it didn't work out for us both times. So we had a red flag right away. Wednesday morning, 3rd time's the charm. The stock did not gap up again for us and actually gapped down, where we had to get out right at the bell at 219, losing 9% and $375. But it's okay, because we reached a little bit on that one and we learned from it. Lighter volume and reaching is not a good idea, and we continue to strike because we are not gonna let off. We found another sniper pattern, an OTC 52-week breakout, NTTHF. This was an OTC 52-week breakout pattern, so we decided to buy it and take it overnight, looking for it to continue. We bought the stock at 736 as we got a small push into close, and unfortunately it gapped down. And since this was a third green day, the odds were against our favor, so we did not want to risk it and got out right at the bell at 6,889, cutting our losses and sticking to the #1 rule of cutting losses, losing 6% and another 385. And unfortunately, this was one of those ones that really bites you in the butt because it ended up continuing and doing exactly what we thought it would, getting a nice push and pushing about 15 to 20%, but we could have sold for $1,000+. And that's okay, because we stuck to the #1 rule of cutting losses, and you always want to be safe better than sorry in this game. Because there will always be a new week, and there will always be another opportunity. And even though we came up with this first red week of -$500, we were still able to make more than $4,000 to close off the month of September. So great month, even though we had a slow week. And overall, it was a slow month. And when things are slow, it just means one thing. Stuff is about to heat up. So be ready. Another great week in the books, even though it was a lost week. A lot of lessons learned. If you don't follow us on social media, make sure to check us out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and StockTwits. We got great content coming out daily. Also, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you want to subscribe below. I do this every single Monday, going over our week of trading. Like I said, we just went over 41 straight green weeks. You can go watch them back. Stock Sniper Nick goes over a weekly watch list video that we do every Tuesday, going over what we're looking for Wednesday morning. And Stock Sniper Alex comes up with tips that'll help you every single day in the stock market. And if you do not follow us on Profitly, make sure to check us out. You can see every single one of our trades from when we started at $500 all the way up to now $132,000. The whole thing is charted at PORFIT.LY under the Stock Snipers. Make sure to check us out. Give us a follow on there. And last but not least, if you are not a part of this team, making bags, making profit with us, we'd love to have you. We got all sorts of traders from beginners to advanced traders. Check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. We have great stuff about to be releasing. We put all of our profit back into this company, and it's going to be some great stuff coming. So be ready for it. Prices are going to be going up. So get in on the Founders Price now. Jump in while you can and tag some bags with us. Alright guys, another great week in the book. I'll see you back here next week to start the green week streak back up. Stock Sniper Mike, out. Let's go. And let's go Heat!